We keep on hearing these days like nepo kids and chaplus outsiders.
मुझे लगता है अब से रात के 10 बजे तक नेपोटिज्म पर ही बात कर सकती हूँ। इतना नेपोटिज्म मैंने मेरी जिंदगी में देखा है, सहा है।
बैकिंग क्या होती है? बैकिंग कुछ नहीं होती। मेरी फैमिली इस इंडस्ट्री से, इसका ये मतलब नहीं कि मुझे उनकी बैकिंग है।
Star kids don't even get to auditions.
We artists are quite bruised. एक समय के बाद जब इतिहास लिखा जाएगा तो इन लोगों का कोई जिक्र नहीं होगा.
People's voices and talent have been suppressed for too long.
I did not leave television to go to the movies. Bro, they banned me.
Entire debate is right now raging right now, the entire outsiders and the insiders. How do you look at the way this debate is going right now?
मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ, बैकिंग क्या होती है? बैकिंग कुछ नहीं होती। मेरी फैमिली इस इंडस्ट्री से, इसका ये मतलब नहीं कि मुझे उनकी बैकिंग है। अगर उनकी बैकिंग होती तो मैं कभी काम करने से रुकता ही नहीं, हटता ही नहीं। मैं काम करता रहता, बड़ी फिल्में करता रहता। ऐसा होता नहीं।
मैं किस चीज से आ रहा हूँ वो इतना इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है, इम्पोर्टेंट है कहाँ जाना है। भले आप ट्रेन से जाएं, ऑटो से जाएं, वो मायने नहीं रखता। आई थिंक स्ट्रगल तो सबकी लाइफ में है।
Star kids don't even get to auditions. You don't. Then you feel like I have done so much work. There's so much work attached to my resume, but is anybody really seeing my resume? I don't know. I don't think so.
I didn't leave television. I did not leave television to go to the movies. It's the first time or the second time I'm telling anyone. Bro, they banned me. In television, they banned me. They called each other and said, "Isko काम मत दो."
आजकल बहुत बातें होती है इस एक वर्ड की जो सबका फेवरेट बन चुका है, नेपोटिज्म। तो मुझे लगता है नेपोटिज्म के ऊपर अगर मैं बात करने लगूं तो मुझे अब से रात के 10 बजे तक नेपोटिज्म पर ही बात कर सकती हूँ। इतना नेपोटिज्म मैंने मेरी जिंदगी में देखा है, सहा है, समझा भी है।
Talk about nepotism and I'm a film family and I know what it feels like to not have a competition based on talent, but at the end it's a business. If somebody has money, wants to cast their son, what are you going to say? And why would you say anything? It's their money. They can do what they want.
We artists are quite bruised, and if you don't have anybody in this city, then you have to deal with with all the pain yourself, or you look for your friend who you can share things with.
People's voices and talent have been suppressed for too long. So while it is over the top and even innocent people are being called out and some people are taking advantage of it, it has to happen. It's the result of a few people in power suppressing voices, suppressing talent, conditioning and honing talent in the way they see them to be and not in the way they inherently are. And so that frustration has built up and pent up, and there's all sorts of people that come within the film community.
मतलब वो कौन है वो जो चिल्लाता रहता है? वो अजीब सा एक न्यूज चैनल पे एक आदमी है, तो वो चिल्ला रहा है, वो शोर मचा रहा है, तो उससे क्या होता है? उसकी अपनी खुद की कोई वैल्यू नहीं। जो आज बोलता है वो कल झूठ हो जाता है, वो कल जो बोलता है वो परसों झूठ हो जाता है। उसकी अपनी वो मतलब एक समय के बाद जब इतिहास लिखा जाएगा तो इन लोगों का कोई जिक्र नहीं होगा।
When you are a reporter but you refuse to identify yourself and you go around saying the most blasphemous things about people, whether it's so and so misbehaved with so and so girl or the girl accused someone that they misbehaved, you need to remember that you are horribly harming both mentally and emotionally two people, the girl and the man. Reading that X accused Y of any kind of sexual assault when you are friends, when you are creative colleagues who love and respect each other, it breaks your heart. And what can you do? You can just be like, sooner or later the truth will speak. But honestly, I can see myself trying to do my bit to get rid of the blind item culture for sure. I saw Kriti speak about it. I see people feeling strongly about it. I see people finally talking about it.
That can have an impact on somebody's mind. It could also impact someone's career. And it's shocking that people in power would do that. Because how insecure do you have to be? You've already reached the epitome of the success you need to have. Why are you trying to legitimize rumors? Who are you serving? Maybe you serve someone, because it makes me question, who are you serving if you're writing blind items about certain actors and not other actors?
We keep on hearing these days like nepo kids and chaplus outsiders. How do you look at this sort of terminology?
Me and Amal belong from a musical family, but that's it. Like a lot of people tell me, oh, you're Anu Malik's nephew, that's why you got this thing and that. They don't know I've not even sung a song for my uncle. never sung a song for my own father.
The struggle is going to stay for everyone. It's going to be a different struggle for X and different struggle for Y. That doesn't mean, you know, X's struggle is any better or worse than mine.
डिबेट छिड़ी हुई है कि किस तरीके का दिक्कत होती है जो लोग इंडस्ट्री से नहीं होते, आउटसाइडर्स के लिए। आप कैसे देखते हैं कि फेवरेटिज्म कुछ हद तक होता है जो कि हर जगह पे होता है, बट मे बी शायद थोड़ा बहुत थिंग्स शुड बी मोर फेयर और इंकरेजमेंट मिलना चाहिए।
आउटसाइडर बहुत सारे मीडियोकर्स भी हैं, मतलब मिलना चाहिए, जो टैलेंट है उसको मिलना चाहिए, चाहे वो इनसाइडर हो चाहे आउटसाइडर हो, जो टैलेंट है वो उसका रिस्पेक्ट होना चाहिए।
I think the biggest thing that happens in Bollywood for outsiders and insiders is कि जिस चीज के लिए सोनम, आलिया, सोनाक्षी को 1 या 2 साल लगेंगे, जिस मकाम पे पहुंचने के लिए स्वरा भास्कर, ऋचा चड्ढा, हुमा कुरैशी को 10 साल लग जाएंगे।
Yes, for an outsider, the opportunities are less.
Yes, being an outsider, it is very tough to get opportunities that easily.
Definitely, they get their first chances and they get their leaps easily from one to one. Go to any industry, you will have to go through all these things of groupism, of this, of that. The idea is to crack it.
ऑडियंस के सामने ना ही आप एक आउटसाइडर होते हो, ऑडियंस के सामने ना ही आप एक इनसाइडर होते हो, आप एक कलाकार होते हो। और अगर अच्छे हो तो ताली बजाएंगे, अगर बुरे हो तो क्रिटिसाइज करेंगे।
मैं तो कहता हूँ जितने भी एक्टर्स आते हैं उनको आना चाहिए और विद फुल ऑफ प्रिपरेशन, ट्रेनिंग, ये वो सब एक्सपीरियंस, थिएटर का एक्सपीरियंस हो उनको।
So we can go on with this debate forever, but finally it's the audience who decides who they want.